Recently, Microsoft has begun rolling out the Windows 11.25 H2 update. Several users have got the update, but they haven't got the new Start menu. You can see I have the 25H2 update installed on my PC, but even after the update, I haven't got the new Start menu. If you are facing the same issue as I am, don't worry, I have a fix for that. Let's do that. The new Start menu is already there, but it's not visible due to Microsoft's staged rollout. New features are linked with the unique ID, which you can enable using a third-party tool called ViVeTool. Don't worry, the app is open source and it's safe. You just need to make sure that you use the correct feature ID. A wrong ID could cause issues in your PC. Go to the link in the description and visit ViVeTool's page. Under the Assets section, click on the version according to your processor architecture. It will get downloaded. Now extract the downloaded zip. Click on the Extract All button. Select the Show Extracted Files when complete. Click the Extract button. In the new Extracted Files window, click on the address bar here. You will see the complete address of the folder. We are going to need it, so copy the address. Now go to the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now we need to change the current directory to the ViVeTool directory. So type CD, paste the address inside the inverted commas, and hit the Enter button. You will reach the ViVeTool directory. Now type ViVeTool /enable /ID : then type the feature ID 472052210. Hit the Enter button, and you will see the message, Successfully set feature configuration. Now close the command prompt. Restart your PC. During the restart, Windows will enable the feature. Here you can see the new Start menu. Let's compare it with the old one. Earlier, you needed to click on the All button to access all the installed apps. Now, all apps appear on the same scrollable page. You get a Pinned App section, then the Recommended section, where you will see your recently used files, and then the All Apps section. If you don't want to see your recently used files in the Start menu, you can also disable that. Right-click on the Start menu and select Start Settings. Then use this toggle to disable that. Note that this will also disable the recommended files from recent files in the File Explorer and jump lists. You can see the difference in the Start menu settings. The option to select the layout is gone, as it won't be needed now. Other options remain. You can switch the view between category, grid, and list according to your taste. I find the category view best. It looks good, and puts all the apps in different categories such as productivity, creativity, entertainment, and more. So, this is how you can enable the new Start menu on Windows 11. That's it for this video. I will see you in next.